Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I wanted to see if you want to craft along with me. So what I'm going to do is fill this album. It is Wildflower Meadow's mini album from Anna Griffin, and they do give us some ideas, and I haven't even looked at that. But here's the little box that came in, and it'll be a really nice box to store it once it's done. So I'm going to show you the first step, and then every day I'm going to show you a page I made and then the double side layout. So it came with 24 of the pages, and these are the 2 pages that I will not be using. I'm going to hold these um, out. So let me tell you my process real fast, and then tomorrow and every day you will see a page layout. So this has 20, this has 10 pages. I wish it had 12 because then you can do the whole year, because 12 pages and then you get a double layout for the whole month, and you can do instead of just one picture. So I am going to buy I'm going to buy a pack of this and the 12 by 12, because this is 8 by 8 right here. I'm going to buy it off of Amazon. I already got it in my cart to add 2 more pages, and it works out perfectly because you're going to need 4 sheets for 2 more pages. That way I can do a year layout, which I could still do a year layout here since there's 20 pages, but I like the double. Okay, so what I have done is I already chose the papers to put in each. I put a pink one here at the very front, and I put a pink one here at the very back. The reason why is if I do the 2 more plastics that I've ordered, the 2 more sheets of the plastics, the pages, I can do double layouts. And so I have this for the double layouts. Okay, so that's why the front sheet, the front and the back are going to match. So if you want to follow along, I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you the embellishments too. So this is my front sheet. This is going to be my second one. And this is going to be, I have 2 granddaughters, and it's going to be, you know how they take a monthly picture for every month until they're a year old? This is what it's going to be. So that's why I wanted to start with pink or something, you know, very light and not so bold and all. So then this is the second, this is the first double layout. Then there's this. So if you want to follow along, and we'll do it together every day. There's this. Then there's this. There's that one with the dragonflies, and it's white. There's the green. Now I am not using the back side here. I'm leaving the white that comes with it inside too, just for stabilization. There's that one is next. Then there's blue. The thing is like if I have the blue here and she's got a blue dress in another picture or something, like if for her 3rd month she's got something blue on, I can move these pages and try to coordinate. Even though we're decorating them, we can move them around to try to coordinate with what they're wearing. That's another reason why I'm not on this album going to craft and just have, take this out and I'll explain. So if you wanted to save on paper, you can craft on this one, a layout. Then you can lay out on this one, that's on the back side of it. But my problem is I don't have the pictures ready, and I just don't want to do it for this one. So there's the blue. So this is the next page we're going to do, and then there's the pink. And then remember, I have these 2 held out because I'm going to order plastics. So that's what I'm going to do. Now let's walk through what I've done for the embellishments this is what I have to do in my head. I have them all laid out, and I have them all counted. So they're all laid out and they're all counted, okay? So we have 9 double-sided pages and then a front and a back, like I told you. There is 21 designs here, 3 each, so we have 63 embellishments. In the gold, we have 12 designs, 6 each, so we have 72 embellishments. This, I don't know if I'm going to use that because, you know, for her first year, she's not going to be traveling or brave, or, you know, but some of them I can use. So, so then we have borders. We have 3 colors, 4 each, and that is 12. You can cut them in half or not. We have 2 different journaling. This is 5x7 and then this is 4x6 in the middle. So those are frames, and we have 4 colors. We have 16 and all together, and then we have the smaller ones. I'm not sure about these smaller ones. They're awfully little, but you could always, on these, especially since it's going to be every month, you could zoom a picture and have just their hand or their little nose or their little foot, or, you know, the mommy and daughter holding their hands. I have to look at the pictures and see. I'm not sure about, these are pretty small to me. We have 2 colors, pink and green, and they're 10 each. So we have 20 journaling cards, and that's how many pages we have. But you don't have to have, on double layouts, if it's the same day and it's a double layout, you only need 1 journaling card, or you can make your own. So now I'm totally ready. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide how many pages I have. So I have 20 pages, and I'm going to divide it into 63. I'm going to do it right now real fast. And it tells me how many embellishments I can use, which I know I'm going to have left over. 20 pages divided into 63 equals 3.5, 3.1. So I can use 3 on each page, and then this, let me write that down so I don't forget. And then okay, and then see, 72 divided into 20 equals 3.6. Nope, that didn't work out. Let me do that again. I did it backwards. Yeah, so it gives me 4 of these on each page. So that would be, on each page, you could have 6 to 7 embellishments on each page, not even counting this, this, this. And I also want to let you know that I have been to all 4 crops at home from Anna Griffin, and this is an Anna Griffin kit. I hope I said that. I will be using dies and foil cardstock from my stash, but and I might be using a little bit of paper. So, but if you want to follow along, this is what I'm up to, and this is what you'll start seeing tomorrow. I will probably get this whole album done in 2 hours, but I'm gonna film each page, 1 done and 1 how to do it. So if you want to do it and hang out with me, that's what I'm up to. You can get this from hsn.com or annagriffin.com. So yeah, all my links will be down below. Have a blessed day.